What's up, guys? So today got a pretty cool video for y'all. Just want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Trying really hard to reach 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you could help me out, I'd really appreciate it, and hope y'all enjoy the video. Here we go. I just pulled up to my buddy's house. We are actually going to pull his Mustang. He has a 2013 Mustang 5.0 that I think he has some valve issues right now. And we're going to actually tow his car to a shop right now. And in the meantime, I'm letting him borrow my Lightning. So the Lightning's been sitting for a while. So he actually told me, he's like, man, if you let me borrow the Lightning, then I'll buy a battery for it. I'll get all the fluids changed and you know, get it running nice and good. So today he got a battery for it. We took it to the car wash, detailed it nice, and now it's running, man. So I'm gonna get some footage of the Lightning running today. This will be the first Lightning video I've done in a while. I know that a lot of y'all have been asking for it, so I'm gonna kind of give you a little update, and then I'll show you the process of us taking his car there. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoy the video. Hey, check the blinker and stuff real quick.
Left.
All right.
Right.
All right.
Brakes.
Alright. Check the front.
They work.
Headlights. Alright.
Oh.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna run to O'Reilly's real quick and get a tow strap. But as you can see, the Lightning's running. Sounds good. The only thing I gotta work on is this right here. I gotta get this repainted and the roof as well. You can turn it off. Yeah, guys, I'm excited, man. Super excited. Alright, guys, so we got the car over here to the shop. I'm gonna talk to Justin real quick, see what he wants us to do with it. Pretty smooth. What do you think? That road that we took kind of sucked. There's a lot of hills and bumps and stuff, so we got it here. So we'll see. Hopefully I have enough memory on this card to finish recording this video. It's gonna suck if I run out of memory. I'll just switch to my phone, I guess, but we'll see what happens.
Kill it for me. We got exhaust leaks.
That's what it sounds like to me.
Yeah. It's the headers. Right here. Is it cracked or is it?
Somewhere, whatever it is right. It's right on that cylinder. So either the bolt backed out or the gasket blew the gasket. Yup. I put the headers on. Oh shit.
I ain't going back there.
Yeah. That's what it is. It ain't no, you can drive it.
Alright, guys, so pretty good news. He thought that it was going to be like a valve issue. They're going to have to pull the motor and a bunch of stuff. Turns out, Justin, man, that guy's like a wizard with freaking motors. He, I don't know if y'all can see it in that clip, but he used like a little PVC hose, like a flex hose, which I'm sure like some motor guys probably have used that trick before. He's able to tell it it's an exhaust leak actually out of the headers, so it's going to be a lot easier to fix than what he thought it was going to be. So that's good news. I'm still going to let him drive the Lightning for a little bit until he gets that fixed. But yeah, went from like $2,500 possibly or more to an easy fix, so that's good news. But alright, guys, I guess I might take you on the Lightning tonight just for a little bit so you can kind of, I don't know, hear it a little bit and whatever. We're gonna go to the gym later, so I'll catch up with y'all here in a little bit. What's up, guys? So it is it's the next day currently. I never finished last night's video, but just taking the dogs out real quick, and then I'm going to head to work. So I do like marketing for work, so my schedule is pretty flexible. So today I'm gonna hit up some houses, do some stuff. I gotta go to some places, but I wanted to show y'all yesterday. I didn't video this because it kind of pissed me off, but I changed this battery yesterday. So I got a brand new battery on there. But it's been getting colder, and yesterday my truck wouldn't start. So took the battery up to AutoZone, and they said it was a bad battery. So let's see. So that was my buddy Michael. He's the one that's gonna be he's the one that's gonna be driving the truck for a little bit. So let me break it down for you. My truck's been sitting for like 4 years, man. It used to be my daily, and then I got a job as an electrician up in Dallas, North Dallas, and I live like south of Dallas, 40 minutes south of Dallas. I was driving 75 miles one way to work, and driving my Lightning. So if any of y'all have ever had a supercharged V8, you know that the gas mileage, really any V8, but this one, you know, it's an older truck. It doesn't get good gas mileage, man. I was getting like I was averaging like 13 miles to the gallon, or 12, sometimes worse if I was on it all the time, which I was always on it all the time. So I got a gas saver, and ever since I got a gas saver and I was doing electrical work, my truck just sat, man, and it killed me to see it do it. But somebody broke into my truck, stole my stereo system. I got all new equipment in there, new amp, new sub, new box, new head unit, everything. And then the seal on the back window broke, and one night it rained really hard and it fried my amp. So the radio head still works, or the head unit still works, door speakers, but the 5-channel amp, I think it's like 1,000 or 1,500 watt 5-channel amp, it's fried, it doesn't work. So there was just a couple things that like went wrong with the truck, you know, like that sitting out in the sun, you know, it started to get kind of sun baked, and I hated to see it just sitting in the sun, so I put a cover on it. Once I put a cover on it, man, it literally just sat there for a good, like, I've been doing electrical for 4 years. I just now switched to doing marketing for landscape and stuff, and it's been sitting for a good 4 years, besides like the couple times that I've done stuff to it and drove it for a little bit. But my buddy said, you know, his Mustang, last night, like y'all saw, it has an exhaust leak at the headers. So he was like, man, if I pay for the insurance, if I take it to get an oil change, if I change the fluids in it, get it running pretty much, put a temp tag on it, and I don't know if I already said pay for insurance, but if I do all that, then can I borrow it until my car's fixed? And I was like, yeah, man, that's fine, you know. And I'm very, very protective of that truck. I don't let anybody drive that truck, man. So I'm putting a lot of trust in him, and I was just like, man, just please take care of the truck. You know. So anyway, right now he's at Valvoline right now, getting the oil change. We went and bought oil last night and a fuel filter. So they're gonna change the oil, do the fuel filter. We were gonna do it, but it's just so cold. It's 55 degrees outside right now, and I don't feel like being on the ground changing the oil and doing a fuel filter and all that stuff. We could do it, but it's easy to just take it to them, let them do it. So that's what he's doing right now. I'm actually gonna go next door to where that's at and get some breakfast. I might stop by there and see what's going on with the truck. Alright guys, so here's I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because this thing is old. You can recharge it, it's a K&N, so I could recharge it, but it's so bent up and on the bottom and stuff, so I went ahead and got a new one right here. It's not as long, that's what she said, but it'll work. Much better, guys, much better. Feels weird. Feels better, like it has a better idle. almost like a vacuum or something's not tight. It sounds like it's a little more choppy than what it should be, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's not a, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like it's driving better, but it definitely feels like there's like a vacuum leak or something going on. Sound of the pulley. I'm not gonna speed really. I'm just gonna get on it. Don't see anybody. I feel bad because that old man right there. I didn't want to like be a douchebag kid that, you know, he's like got his walker. Definitely has a little sputter to it. Did you feel it? Kind of like choppy?
Not really.
You can feel it. You'll feel it when you're driving. It's
I can feel that.
yeah. It may like we talked about. It may be a spark issue. Yeah, it feels better, man. I mean, it's driving better than what it was yesterday. That's for sure. But I can definitely feel something's off. It's either a spark issue, vacuum. I don't know if exhaust leak would make it feel like that. No? Alright guys, so do you still want to take this to Gearheads today, I think?
You can, I mean.
Are you off tomorrow? You work tomorrow?
Well, I'm gonna work tomorrow.
You work tomorrow? Well, oh, that's not working now.
I turned it off.
Oh, you did? Okay. We may go to Gearheads today, guys. It's a shop here in local, not really local to us, but it's in Texas. It's probably about an hour away, maybe 45 minutes, I think. About 40 minutes. So we'll take it there.
35, 40 minutes.
Maybe do a couple dyno pulls. That'll be a separate video. I'll probably edit this video and clear out some space on my memory card, or I'll grab another memory card, and then I'll do some video at Gearheads. And we'll figure out really what's going on with this thing. Because like Michael was saying yesterday, they'll be able to tell like to the T what's, you know, exactly what's going on. So I'll keep you all updated. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, peace.